Hello students, let's start with the experiment study of Thevenin's theorem. Thevenin's theorem for linear electrical network states that any combination of the voltage sources, current sources and resistors with two terminals is electrically equivalent to single voltage source V and a single series resistor R. So any linear network we can convert into the Thevenin's theorem. So Thevenin's theorem states that you can convert that electrical network into the equivalent voltage source and a single series resistor in series with it. So this is a circuit for which we are going to find out current flowing through 40 ohm resistor with the help of Thevenin's theorem. So as Thevenin's theorem says that entire circuit we can convert it into the equivalent voltage source and equivalent resistance in series with it. So for first step you have to remove the resistor which is called as the load resistance. So you have to remove the load resistance 40 ohm from the circuit and you have to look towards the circuit from that open circuit points VA and from that open circuit points A and B. So first let's find out the open circuit voltage across VAB. So to find out the open circuit voltage, you have to first find out the current flowing through the circuit. So current flowing through the circuit is 20 volt minus 10 volt divided by 30 ohm, which is 0.33 amperes. So VAB is nothing but the 20 volt voltage minus voltage drop across this 20 ohm resistor. So VAB is equal to 20 minus voltage drop across 20 ohm resistor. So total VAB is equal to 13.33 volts. Next step is to find out the equivalent resistance RT. So to find out the equivalent resistance, you have to replace all the voltage sources by their internal resistances. So here voltage sources are having zero internal resistance, so we replace it by the short circuit. Now looking from the points, open circuit points A and B, those two resistors 10 ohm and 20 ohm are in parallel. So resistor RT is equal to parallel combination of those two resistors, which is 6.67 ohm. Now form a Thevenin's equivalence circuit. Now the equivalent Thevenin's voltage we got is 13.33 volt and equivalent resistance we got is 6.67 ohm. So now connect the 40 ohm resistor to that open circuit points A and B, and just by applying a Ohm's law you can find out the current flowing through this 40 ohm resistor. So I is equal to Thevenin's open circuit voltage 13.33 divided by Thevenin's equivalent resistance 6.67 plus load resistance 40 ohm, which is nothing but 0.29 amperes. Now the same experiment we are going to perform in the virtual lab. Now you have to open the vlab.amrita.edu link, and from that link you have to go to the physical science experiments. In those experiments, go to the electrical circuits virtual lab. In electrical circuits virtual lab, go to the Thevenin's theorem. Okay. Now here go to the simulator. Different components, switch, bulb, resistor, wire, voltmeter, ammeter and battery are given to you. So for performing the experiment we need two batteries. So just drag the batteries. We need three resistors. So just drag the resistors. And we need one ammeter. So this is a non-contact ammeter. We can place it afterwards the circuit. So just rotate the resistors. Now this is the wire. You have to take this wire for doing the connections. Unless and until that dot becomes black, there is no connection. So just make a connection as shown in the circuit diagrams. Here you can go to the schematic to check whether your connections are done properly. So those 2 points are red, so their connection is here not proper. Okay, so now connections are done as circuit is completely black. Now you have to take this ammeter. Now we are going to find out the current flowing through 40 ohm resistor. Just put here. Now you have to give the values of the resistors. So this resistor is of 10 ohm. This resistor's value is 20 ohm. This resistor's value is 40 ohm. This supply is of 20 ohm. Sorry, 20 volt, and this supply is of 10 volt. This resistor 10 ohm, this resistor is 20 ohm, this resistor 40 ohm, this whole battery is of 10 volt and 20 volt. Okay, so see the current flowing through the circuit is 0.2857 ampere and your readings by calculation is 0.29 ampere. So actual current flowing through the circuit is 0.285 means 0.29 ampere. So we simulated this circuit. Now you have to simulate it again by drawing the equivalent Thevenin circuit. So what we need for that circuit, we need only that much circuit. So delete rest of the circuit. Okay, now battery Thevenin's equivalent voltage source is 13.33 volt. Then equivalent resistance is 6.67 and load resistance is of 40 ohm. So this is 13.33, this is 6.67 and this is 40 ohm. So see, the current flowing through the 40 ohm resistor is 0.2856. So our calculated value of the Thevenin's current flowing through the 40 ohm resistor is 0.29 ampere. When we simulate the entire circuit into this virtual lab, the current flowing through is 0.29 ampere, and when we simulate the Thevenin's theorem, the current flowing is also 0.29 ampere. So in this way we verified the Thevenin's theorem. So you perform the experiment at home by logging in into virtual lab amrita.edu and perform the experiment and show me the observation tables. Thank you.